Little headlines.
Hey, my favorite curiosity crew. Welcome to Little Headlines for your weekly news. I'm Scoop, your gang, your elephant reporter, never shy. From tech to sports, I've got it all. Let's get into the news. Have a ball. Trunk up, glasses on, scoop in. Hey everyone, and welcome. I'm your host, Scoop, and believe me, we have got a seriously packed week of stories to get through. We're going to be looking at everything that went down from April 11th all the way to April 16th, 2026. And wow, what a week it was. We're talking incredible courage, some surprising history, and milestones you won't forget. So stick with me, because we're going to be chasing a super brave ship through a really dangerous waterway. We'll see a record that stood for 48 years get absolutely shattered, and we'll even dive into the science behind a voice that sang over 12,000 songs. You ready? Let's do this. All right, first up, your world this week. Let's connect some dots on the biggest stories happening right here and all around the globe. So here's the question for you. How is the cooking gas in millions of our homes connected to a single ship sailing through a war zone? Sounds kind of crazy, right? Well, the answer is way more direct than you'd probably think. It all really comes down to this number, 39 kilometers. That's the narrowest point of the Strait of Hormuz. Think of it like a super important highway for ships. And for weeks, because of conflict, that highway was pretty much blocked. Nothing was getting through. And that's where this number comes in. 20,400 tons. That's the massive amount of LPG, cooking gas, that the Indian ship Jag Vikram was carrying. It was the very first Indian ship to safely cross that strait after a ceasefire. Its arrival in Mumbai was, you can imagine, a huge, huge relief for millions of families. Meanwhile, back home, democracy was in full gear. We had assembly elections happening in 5 states and union territories: Kerala, Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and Puducherry. This is a huge deal. It's how we choose the leaders who run things in our states. Our schools, hospitals, and roads. And speaking of making big decisions, Parliament held a special session to fast-track the Women's Reservation Bill. So, what's the goal here? To reserve 1/3 of all seats for women. This could be a total game changer, really shaking up how we tackle important issues like health and education. Okay, let's switch gears and head over to the science and discovery zone. Time to get curious about the world around us and, well, inside us. You know what's so cool is how our bodies work. It all starts with these 2 tiny little muscles in your throat called vocal folds. When air passes them, they vibrate, and that makes sound. A trained singer can control these vibrations with incredible skill, letting them hit an amazing range of notes. And hey, a quick heads up. Earth Day is coming up on April 22nd. It's the perfect time to think about our planet. And look, you don't have to do something huge. Small things, like planting just 1 seed or saying no to a plastic straw, if we all do them, they really add up and make a big difference. Now let's get that energy way up for the sports roundup. We've got smashed records, emotional tributes, and some shiny gold medals. 48 years. Just let that sink in. That's how long India's national marathon record stood, untouched. I mean, a whole generation grew up thinking this record was basically unbreakable. Well, this week, that all changed. And what you're seeing here is maybe one of the most dramatic finishes in sports history. Seriously. Army Havildar Sawan Barwal is so close to the finish line, just 20 meters away from breaking that record. And he falls. He gets back up, tries to run, and collapses again. But does he give up? No way. He literally crawls across the finish line. Just, wow, what an incredible display of grit. And that's not all. Over in the world of wrestling, Sujit Kakal and Abhimanyu Mandwal absolutely crushed it, bringing home gold medals for India at the Asian Wrestling Championships. Just a fantastic week for Indian sports all around. Okay, let's shift our focus now to the world of arts and entertainment as we take a moment to remember a truly legendary voice. Over 12,000. That's the Guinness World Record for the number of songs recorded by the one and only Asha Bhosle, who we sadly lost this week at the age of 92. Her influence was everywhere, even in the IPL, where players wore black armbands to honor her memory. I mean, her impact was just immeasurable. This quote from Prime Minister Narendra Modi really says it all. For more than 80 years, her voice was basically the soundtrack to our lives, and her music is a gift that's gonna live on forever. Alright, time to jump in the time machine for a quick blast from the past. This week in history was absolutely packed with some major moments. This week in history is such a mix of incredible highs and devastating lows. On one hand, we remember two really deep tragedies: the sinking of the unsinkable Titanic on April 15th, 1912, and the heartbreaking Jallianwala Bagh massacre just a few years after that. But then, you flip the coin, and this same week gave us these incredible moments of progress. On April 12th, 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human being ever to go to space. And on April 14th, 1891, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the main architect of India's constitution, was born. A week of both deep sorrow and amazing hope. Okay, you know what time it is. It's our final segment, the Big Trivia Quiz. Let's see how closely you're listening. Ready? First question. What was the name of that brave Indian ship carrying all that cooking gas that finally made it through the Strait of Hormuz? Think back. Got it? The answer is the Jag Vikram. Okay, question number 2. Army Havildar Sawan Barwal broke that incredible 48-year-old record in which sport? This one should be easy. It was the marathon, of course. And for the final question, how many songs did the legendary Asha Bhosle record to get that Guinness World Record? It's a truly mind-boggling number. It was over 12,000 songs. What a week, huh? From the courage of a ship's crew to the unbelievable perseverance of a marathon runner, these stories really remind you of what people are capable of. They inspire us to pay attention. So, my advice? Keep reading, keep asking questions, and most importantly, keep caring. And that is all the time we have for today. I'm Scoop. Until we meet again next week, trunk up.
And we're done. My trunk is tired, my glasses need cleaning, please, but your brain? Officially upgraded. Hit follow button for fresh news of every week. Scoop out.